Yummy seafoods. Yummy, yummy. May pusit, may hipon, at saka crab. Ang taba ng crab. Grabe guys. Ang taba ng crab. Putok-batok na naman ito. Ang makakain nito, putok-batok daw. Ano ba yan sabi nila? Yummy, yummy. Yan. Ito yung lunch for today. Tsaka ito naman yung sinasabi nilang Robian. Yung food ng Kuwaiti. Happy lunch guys. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.